All right, y'all. Doc Martens. I'm obviously stoked about this one. I wore Docs for a lot of years. I think they're good for your back. I think they feel good. But these are sick. I was really excited when I saw these on the line sheet to get these in. So without further ado, let me pop these bad boys open. So these are the mules from Doc. I believe they're the Isham, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. First off, wanted to highlight this suede. Like, I hope it shows through in the video, but like, look at how like textured and neppy it is. Like, absolutely stellar. But you know what you have come to expect from a mule shoe. It's got this cool strap in case you need to pop it into sport mode. You need to run fast, but yeah, overall dope. So let's just kind of call out some of the details that you would typically expect to find in a Doc, but why it's cool in this shoe. So right off the bat, we got the nice flat sole. I like the silhouette of that. Kind of makes it stand on sort of an angle with the flat sole and how the stitching kind of comes in diagonally. But so right off the bat, super soft. We do have some elastic here, kind of playing with like, similar to like a Vans slip-on or something that doesn't have laces, so there is no way to adjust it down. But this way you can kind of have some play with the arch and kind of actually like feel like you're in these boys, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I already called out the suede, the standard oil resistant, oil fat acid, petrol alkali resistant Doc Martens sole. We've all know we've all come to love, but super soft, super forgiving. A lot of bounce to these, as I'm sure you're aware. I like the sort of lip here on the back. I obviously love a Birkenstock. I wear Birkenstocks all the time, but I do like the lip. It kind of makes it feel like you're more in the shoe. So you don't even need to toss it into sport mode to be like fully in it. But yeah, I mean, my only thing I would say about these is you're gonna have to commit to breaking them in a little bit. Not so much breaking them in terms of comfort, but breaking in terms of like, having the flex when you walk. A little heavier for a mule than you're probably used to, but I do think it's something you can kind of just work past after a couple days. But love the suede, love the sort of contrast stitching without it being super loud, kind of like a dark brown thread in here, like a dark gray thread. But yeah, some cute little Doc Martens branding there on the buckle. But overall, love the shoe. I think it would work well with obviously like a fuller pant. You can kind of still play it all the way down to your feet, and the silhouette wouldn't be compromised in any way. But yeah, this tan color would work nicely with just about any color too. Black, olive, white, blue, any color you could think of in your head, you can wear this suede with. But yeah, shout out the Isham. These are beautiful. Super stoked to get them in. I think they work in particular with the whole Canoe Club aesthetic, the green pants, the military repro, maybe some gorpy aspects, but they're sick. I definitely think you should give them a go within Doc Marten pricing too. So really no downfall. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Shoot me some suggestions for other unboxings. It doesn't necessarily have to be shoes, but yeah, in terms of a nice mule, this is a good alternative to a Birk if you're trying to step out of your comfort zone a little bit. But yeah, thank you. Talk soon.